There's one thing, him and Mabia. Then you journalist, hey, defima, and you can fire service store, you can well efima. If they knew very well, you may another care why you can what was the reason that they often journalists see? And what was the reason that journalists say? Journalists, you are not under any permission. You have no obligation to obtain permission from anybody because that is what you are trained for. Defunam talk me kwesebe enyayala wakume nu ike tututu lema wakwe akodogo. This is not the first time Jemia no sesebe ubemi ape security services store ulamede egabu alununu ameside bula. This is not the first time. On Hot F, this modern Ghana, that huge sums of money, and you've taken it from the journalists. For what reason? But me I will needed to asina bene me apo and me out of wibo. Ta dukuma de kukune ameiko kunyaya mebela. No kunyaya me be me aduko me view check the journalists wala. Jidepo ano si be bofoma ga no ne nya dele jojoa wata anna nyanya alebe mi apetela ma ba wa be ni le tokumo. The fact of the case we need each other as citizens. As Ghanaians, we need the services of the Ghana National Fire Service. Without them, it will be difficult for us to control it. And that is their duty. And that is a good reason why we are paying them. And at the same time, we need journalists to pay contribution. The two sides, American oppose, prevent, no viabe epedoda si ike ojebene wala awo enu ya opete na yide mi abe to sema nu sele journalist we sibe won atawon a report enya jojo we enu jojo le du come ta nenye be amede chitere de journalist de won ejebe no kume